All right, so here we go. So what I'm going to do is insert this deep inside of here. Make sure we get a lot of foam in the back where the crease is, and let the foam expand. Ooh, yeah. We got plenty of foam in there. I'm gonna put a little foam in here where there's a little bit of a hole here. Okay, so keep this can out of the way because the foam does tend to get everywhere. So I'm going to put this net over here and see if I could insert it into the spray foam itself as it holds stable here. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit more foam here. Okay, so it looks like it went to the crack outside here a little bit, so I'm going to push it in a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for it to dry and then get back.